We are gonna make avocado and tuna dip today, low carb. It looks like a lot of ingredients, but it's really not. This is pizza cheese. I'm gonna make chips from these chips. You can use cheese bread, cheese, shredded cheese, blend with all different cheeses, but pizza, it's kind of bland, doesn't have a lot of sharp cheese taste. Perfect for this application, I think. I'm using parchment paper to melt the cheese in microwave. I will put it on 1.5 minutes and see the progress if I need to add more time. Now let's work on tuna. And drain this small can of tuna. And you need something like mayonnaise or maybe olive oil. So really small because it's so lean, it squeaks on your teeth. So I will drop a few drops, whatever. Alright. And it's salt. Let's integrate everything, incorporate everything. Alright. Now let's work on that's what it looks like. Needs one more minute. Here's the method I use for avocado. Take the top off. It's not fresh. Cut like this. Squeeze the pit. You see? And squeeze it out. You need to cut your hands making avocado cubes. Apparently. That's how I always do avocado. And now you kind of chop it. With the edge of the fork. And you have chunky avocado pieces. With tuna. Also, here's what it looks like. I like this condition. I'll leave it to chill a little bit. And I have celery sticks, so I will cut some celery and add it here. I use potato peeler to shave the strings. It looks ugly, but it washed. Probably organic. Right. Potato peeler makes celery sticks are peelable again. Alright. It's already perfect. Alright. Doesn't matter. Alright. I always like a little bit of relish to my tuna. It's not necessary and I can't open it. Alright. We can fold it and make it into a taco shell. I'll stick it in there again. If you want taco shell, I will let it sit and chill for a minute until it hardens. Seems like it's slogging down. It's still warm. Okay, it doesn't matter. Alright, let's load it. It will cool down when you load it. Probably here is enough stuffing for 2 of those, but have to stick to original vision. Now I can throw away this parchment paper. And there you go. Edible. Nicely done. Tuna and avocado dip. Subscribe, follow, do whatever they do over there on a virtual world. Happy cooking.